Chocolate ice cream begins far from the factory, in cocoa farms, where ripe pods are harvested at peak maturity.
Once opened, cocoa pods reveal beans that will later become cocoa solids and butter. Immediate collection.
At this scale, cocoa is transported in bulk to centralized facilities. Speed and coordination. When cocoa reaches the factory, volume becomes the priority. Automated intake systems move tons of beans.
Before transformation begins, cocoa beans are cleaned and sorted at high speed. This step protects machine.
Roasting develops cocoa's deep chocolate flavor. Precise temperature control ensures consistency across thousands of kilograms processed every hour.
After roasting, cocoa beans are cooled and cracked. Removing the shells leaves pure cocoa nibs, the core ingredient of chocolate production.
Grinding turns cocoa nibs into chocolate liquor. This thick liquid carries both cocoa solids and cocoa butter, forming the base of chocolate products.
At this stage, immense pressure separates cocoa butter from cocoa solids. This step allows
cocoa solids are finely milled and stored for later use. Controlled particle size ensures smooth texture in finished ice cream products. Milk forms the structural base of chocolate ice cream. At intake, quality testing ensures consistency, safety, and freshness at industrial scale.
Sweeteners and stabilizers are added in precise ratios. Automation ensures flavor balance remains identical across every batch produced.
This is where chocolate ice cream takes shape. Continuous mixing blends cocoa, milk, and sugar into a smooth, stable base.
Pasteurization ensures food safety, while homogenization creates a smooth texture. These steps are critical for shelf stability and mouthfeel.
Before freezing, the mixture is aged under controlled conditions. This resting period allows flavors to fully develop and stabilize.
At this stage, the chocolate base is rapidly frozen. Continuous freezers control temperature and texture as the mixture thickens in seconds.
Air incorporation gives ice cream its smooth, scoopable structure. Precise control ensures consistent density across massive production volumes.
This is the defining moment. Liquid chocolate base becomes ice cream, locking in texture, flavor, and structure.
Additional ingredients are added at this stage. Timing is critical to preserve texture while ensuring even distribution.
The ice cream is gently stabilized before packaging. This final adjustment ensures consistent quality from machine to market.
At this stage, chocolate ice cream is portioned at high speed. Automation ensures uniform fill levels across thousands of tubs every hour.
For bar-style products, ice cream is molded and sticked in a single continuous flow. Timing here defines shape and stability.
For bar-style products, ice cream is molded and sticked in a single continuous flow. Timing here defines shape and stability.
This coating step adds texture and flavor. Continuous circulation maintains temperature and thickness at production scale.
Multi-pack wrapping prepares products for retail distribution. Integrated coating ensures traceability from factory to consumer.
Blast freezing locks in texture and prevents ice crystal growth. Rapid temperature reduction is essential at industrial scale.
Temperature verification ensures every product meets cold chain standards. Continuous monitoring prevents quality loss before storage.
Robotic palletizing prepares products for long-term storage and shipment. Automation maximizes speed while minimizing handling errors.
Frozen storage maintains product stability until shipment. Temperature consistency is critical across millions of units.
Digital tracking ensures every pallet is accounted for. This coordination keeps global distribution running without interruption.
Refrigerated trucks maintain sub-zero conditions during transport. Seamless loading protects the cold chain from factory to port. During transport, temperature stability is monitored constantly. Even small fluctuations can impact final product quality. At the port, frozen products transfer directly into refrigerated containers. This step enables long-distance global shipment.
Ocean freight allows frozen desserts to reach international markets. Refrigerated containers preserve quality over weeks at sea.
After arrival, products enter regional distribution networks. The cold chain remains intact until final delivery.
Regional cold warehouses bridge global shipping and local retail. Inventory moves quickly to meet demand without breaking the cold chain.
Final delivery requires speed and precision. Products move directly into frozen storage to maintain quality.
At retail, frozen desserts are displayed for immediate purchase. Consistent freezing preserves texture until the moment of sale.
This is where the production journey meets the consumer. Every step before ensures quality at this moment.
Even at home, proper freezing maintains texture and flavor. The cold chain continues beyond the store.
Portion control highlights consistency. The texture achieved in the factory is preserved through precise handling.
This texture reflects precise freezing, air control, and formulation. Every stage of production contributes to this final structure. At this point, the process is complete. What remains is the product itself, defined by precision, scale, and control. From raw cocoa to frozen dessert, every step is designed for consistency. This is chocolate ice cream, made at scale, finished with precision. From raw cocoa to frozen dessert, every step is designed for consistency. This is chocolate ice cream, made at scale, finished with precision.
Chocolate ice cream can also be served as soft serve. Flow control determines texture and structure at the point of dispensing.
For sandwich products, frozen slabs are paired with baked components. Precision ensures uniform shape and bite.
Layered dessert formats combine ice cream with toppings. Automation maintains consistency even at high output.
Texture is the result of controlled freezing and aeration. This structure defines the eating experience.
From a single base, multiple formats are produced. Scale allows variety without compromising consistency.
In large-scale production, repetition is intentional. Consistency is built through continuous motion.
Automation removes variation. Every movement is repeated thousands of times without deviation.
Logistics inside the factory follow defined paths. Efficiency depends on predictable movement.
Storage preserves the result of every previous step. Order here reflects control upstream. At full scale, production becomes rhythm. Every system moves together to maintain flow.
Even as one batch leaves the line, production continues. Scale depends on uninterrupted flow.
Controlled freezing limits ice crystal growth. This structure preserves smooth texture over time. Production systems are designed to cycle efficiently. Even transitions are controlled. Between runs, lines are reset and prepared. Clean systems ensure consistent results every time.
Inside facilities like this, production runs around the clock. Consistency is built one cycle at a time.
Flow stability is essential at scale. This consistency allows production to run continuously.
Automated inspection verifies quality without slowing production. Repetition ensures reliability. Internal logistics rely on timing. Every merge is calculated to maintain flow.
Automated storage systems cycle inventory continuously. This balance supports large-scale demand.
This process repeats every day. The system is designed to continue.
Production is cyclical by design. Each run begins exactly where the last one ended. From raw cocoa to frozen dessert, every stage builds toward consistency. Nothing in the process is accidental.
At full capacity, production becomes a single coordinated system. Every machine supports the next.
After all the motion, the result is simple. A finished product, ready.
This process continues every day, at scale. What you've seen is just one cycle.